Today I'll tell you how to make a clay Ganesha. Okay, so look over the steps here. First, you have to divide the clay into three parts. Okay, and make a rolly like this. One,
Two, I am telling.
two, and three. Okay, now let's keep first part for the tummy of Ganesha. Okay, and the second part, let's divide it into three more parts. One, two, three. Can you see the three parts of this? See? One, two, three. Now, with one part, again make a rolly and put it on top of here. See? This is Ganesha's mouth. Okay. Now, let's take another part and make two ears of Ganesha. You have to take the clay like this and you have to flatten it. Okay, make a leaf-like structure like this. Okay, and then just slowly join it from one side. Awesome! See? One ear is ready. Now let's make a mukut. Okay? See? You have to make a ice cream cone. Okay? What you have to do? Make a ice cream cone. See? Such a cute cone I'm making. Can you see a cute cone here? Yeah? Yeah. So first make and put it on his head. Woohoo! Now, with the next clay, what you have to do is, you have to take a little bit, a bit. Look on your Ganesha size. And then, just roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Can you see? It's like this. Okay. Now, we have to make his trunk. Ganesha has an elephant head, no? Let's make his trunk. See? And you know Ganesha's trunk should be on the left hand side. See? It should be curved on the left hand side like this. Okay guys. Super. Now let's make his hands and legs. For that, you have to divide the remaining clay into four parts. Two smaller parts and two bigger parts. Legs are bigger than hands, no? See, I'm attaching the legs like this. Can you see them? See, I attached Ganesha's leg, one leg. And now, I am going to attach another leg. See, I'm again making a roll like this and I'll show you a close-up. Okay, see, from the back side, you have to stick it here. Okay, like this and then roll it in front. Wow!
Mama,
Nice.
hands.
And now, yes Babu, I'm putting hands.
Then why did you make this wall?
That ball is for his surface.
Surface? What
Yes.
is surface?
I'll show you. See, there is one more hand like this, and see, with his right hand, he's sticking. Can you get a bit light that side? See, you have to stick again here on the top, in between ears and legs, and now curve it. Like this. See, he's giving Ashirwad, blessings to you. Right? Now, let's make his left hand. His left hand, again, see, left hand side, just put it like this. Okay? And with the left hand, he is holding his food. His favorite food is modak. color clay also if you want to make the eyes. And the mukut to make it more contrasting and beautiful. Wow, my Ganesha is ready. And I will make a sihasan for him with this. See, he is going to sit on this sihasan. Wow, see? It's so easy and beautiful to make. Is it easy, Ganesha?
Yes.
You want to hold it and show to your friends?
Yes.
If
Friends, my mom made it. And let me close to you.
If you also want to learn
Daddy.
how to make Ganesha, you can just buy this from the link below.